How to get free non-copyright music and footage for your videos. Let's go. Make sure that you're on the browser of your choice. So for me it's Google, and go onto YouTube. You have a couple of options. You either just press on your videos or press on your profile and then press YouTube Studio. Up to you. I'm just going to press your videos and then scroll all the way down where it says audio library. Press on that and then you have all of these options here of music. So you have like the track title, you can favorite it, you can listen, you can have a filter with all of these options, and then it tells you the duration, the artist. Okay, so now I'm going to do footage. So you'll have to search this up, but I have it bookmarked already. If you search up Pexels, that's what it looks like, by the way. You can get free photos and videos that are all copyright free, which is awesome. So you could search up, I have like all of these. We press like man, got this one here, and then if you want it, you can download it. You have the option to donate if you want to. Watch this video next if you want to. Subscribe.